Imagine this. You're enjoying a salad. But this isn't just any salad. It's bursting with fresh, flavorful veggies. And the best part, you grew them yourself, right in your own home. No backyard, no soil, no problem. With hydroponics, anyone can become an urban gardener. Many people think gardening is impossible without outdoor space, but hydroponics is changing the game. It's a fun, easy way to grow fresh produce indoors. Whether you're an apartment dweller or simply crave garden-fresh flavor, hydroponics is the answer. This essay will guide you through setting up your own hydroponic system. We'll be focusing on the Kratky Method, a simple yet effective technique perfect for beginners. Get ready to enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own food no matter where you live. Hydroponics might sound intimidating. You might picture complicated setups and expensive equipment, but fear not. The Kratky Method is here to simplify things. It's perfect for both beginners and those short on space. The Kratky Method is a type of passive hydroponics. This means it doesn't require any pumps or electricity. It's incredibly easy to set up and maintain. Even if you've never grown a thing in your life, you can succeed with Kratky. This method is all about simplicity and efficiency. It's perfect for growing a variety of delicious and nutritious vegetables right on your countertop. Ready to learn more? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Kratky hydroponics. The Kratky method relies on a simple yet ingenious principle. It is a passive hydroponic technique that doesn't require electricity, pumps, or any complex equipment. Plants are grown in a non-circulating nutrient solution, which means the water and nutrients are not continuously moved or aerated. The plant roots are partially submerged in the solution, allowing them to absorb the necessary nutrients directly from the water. The upper portion of the roots is exposed to air, which is a critical aspect of this method. This air gap is crucial because it ensures that the roots receive adequate oxygen. It allows for essential oxygen to reach the roots, preventing them from drowning and promoting healthy growth. This is vital for healthy plant growth, as oxygen is just as important as water and nutrients for the plant's development. Over time, the plant will naturally consume the nutrient solution, gradually lowering the water level in the container. As the water level decreases, the air gap will gradually increase, providing more oxygen to the roots. This process encourages the roots to grow longer and stronger as they seek out more nutrients and moisture, enhancing the plant's overall resilience. The Kratky method is ideal for a variety of fast-growing plants, making it a versatile option for home gardeners and commercial growers alike. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale thrive in this system, producing lush and vibrant foliage. Herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro are also excellent choices, as they grow quickly and benefit from the consistent nutrient supply. Even certain types of peppers can be grown using the Kratky method, showcasing the system's flexibility and efficiency in producing a wide range of crops. Before you start your Kratky adventure, you'll need to gather a few essential supplies. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy or expensive equipment. Most of these items can be found at your local garden center or online. Here's what you'll need. Containers. Wide-mouth mason jars, plastic containers, or dedicated net cups. Growing medium cocoa coir, rock wool, or clay pebbles. Net pots. To hold your plants and growing medium. Nutrient solution. A hydroponic-specific fertilizer. pH test kit. To measure and adjust the acidity of your nutrient solution. Seeds or seedlings. Choose your favorite fast-growing veggies or herbs. Measuring cups and spoons for accurate nutrient mixing. Section 5. Building your Kratky system, a step-by-step guide. Now comes the fun part. Setting up your Kratky system is surprisingly easy and can be a rewarding experience. Just follow these simple steps. First, prepare your container. Choose a container that is opaque to prevent algae growth. Clean your chosen container thoroughly. This ensures that no contaminants will affect your plants. Drill or cut a hole in the lid slightly smaller than your net pot. This will hold the net pot securely. Next, insert the net pot. Make sure it is the right size for your container. Place the net pot into the hole in the lid. It should fit snugly without falling through. Make sure it fits snugly. A secure fit is crucial for the stability of your plants. Then, add the growing medium. This will support the roots of your plants. Fill the net pot with your chosen growing medium. Ensure it is evenly distributed. Moisten it thoroughly with water. This helps the seeds or seedlings to settle in. Now, plant your seeds or seedlings. Be gentle to avoid damaging them. Gently place your seeds or seedlings into the growing medium. Make sure they are well positioned. After that, prepare the nutrient solution. This is essential for the growth of your plants. Follow the instructions on your hydroponic fertilizer to mix the nutrient solution. Accurate measurements are key. Use a pH test kit to adjust the acidity to the optimal range for your chosen plants. Now, fill the container with the solution. Carefully pour the nutrient solution into the container. Avoid spilling to keep the area clean. Fill it up to a level just below the bottom of the net pot, leaving an air gap. This air gap is crucial for root oxygenation. Finally, place your system in a suitable location. Consider factors like light and temperature. Choose a well-lit spot for your Kratky system, such as a sunny windowsill or under grow lights. This ensures your plants get enough light to thrive. Congratulations! You've just built your very own Kratky hydroponic system. Take a moment to admire your work. Now let's learn how to keep those plants happy and healthy. Stay tuned for the next section. Section 6. Kratky Care, Keeping Your Plants Thriving. In this section, we'll dive into the essential steps to ensure your plants flourish in a Kratky hydroponic system. Maintaining your Kratky system is a breeze. With minimal effort, you can keep your plants healthy and thriving. Here are a few key things to keep in mind. First, water levels. This is crucial for the overall health of your plants. As your plants grow, they'll consume the nutrient solution. This means the water level will gradually decrease over time. Check the water level regularly. It's important to ensure that the roots are always submerged in the nutrient solution. When the water level drops significantly, it's time to refill. Next, nutrient replenishment. This is vital for the growth and development of your plants. Depending on the type of plants you're growing and their growth stage, the nutrient requirements will vary. You'll need to replenish the nutrients in the solution every 1 to 3 weeks. This ensures that your plants have a constant supply of essential nutrients. Simply top up the container with fresh nutrient solution. Then, pH monitoring. This is another critical aspect of plant care. The pH level of your nutrient solution is crucial for nutrient absorption. If the pH is off, your plants won't be able to absorb nutrients effectively. Use a pH test kit regularly and adjust as needed using pH up or down solutions. And finally, light. Light is essential for photosynthesis. Provide your plants with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. This will help them grow strong and healthy. Or use grow lights to supplement natural light. Grow lights can be especially useful during the winter months or in areas with limited sunlight. By following these simple care tips, you'll create an optimal environment for your plants. You'll ensure your Kratky system thrives and continues to support healthy plant growth, and rewards you with an abundance of fresh, homegrown produce. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the satisfaction of a thriving indoor garden. Section 7. Why choose Kratky? The benefits are clear. The Kratky method offers numerous advantages for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. Simplicity. It's incredibly easy to set up and maintain, even for beginners. Cost-effectiveness. You don't need expensive equipment or electricity. Space-saving. Perfect for small spaces like apartments and balconies. Water conservation. Uses significantly less water than traditional gardening. Faster growth. Plants grow faster and healthier due to optimal nutrient uptake. No weeds. Say goodbye to the hassle of weeding. Year-round growing. Enjoy fresh produce all year long, regardless of the weather outside. With so many benefits, it's no wonder the Kratky method is gaining popularity among urban gardeners and hydroponic enthusiasts worldwide. Section 8. Your Kratky questions answered. You might have a few questions about the Kratky method. Here are answers to some common queries. What if I forget to refill the water? Don't worry. The air gap in the Kratky system provides a buffer. Your plants won't dry out immediately. However, it's best to check the water level regularly and refill as needed. Can I grow any plant in the Kratky method? While the Kratky method is great for fast-growing leafy greens and herbs, it's not suitable for all plants. Large plants or those with extensive root systems might not thrive in this system. How do I prevent algae growth? Algae growth can be a common issue in hydroponics. To prevent it, use opaque containers to block light from reaching the nutrient solution. Section 9. Secrets to hydroponic success. Here are some additional tips to ensure your hydroponic journey is a resounding success. Start small. Begin with a few plants and gradually expand as you gain confidence. Choose the right plants. Opt for fast-growing leafy greens and herbs that are well-suited for the Kratky method. Monitor closely. Regularly check your plants for signs of nutrient deficiencies, pests, or diseases. Keep it clean. Clean your containers and equipment regularly to prevent algae growth and maintain a healthy growing environment. Join the community. Connect with other hydroponic enthusiasts online or in your local area for support, tips, and inspiration. Section 10. Start growing today. Growing your own food is incredibly rewarding. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature, enjoy fresh and flavorful produce, and reduce your environmental impact. The Kratky method makes hydroponics accessible to everyone. No matter your experience level or available space, you can cultivate a thriving indoor garden. So why wait? Embrace the world of hydroponics and embark on your own gardening adventure today. You'll be amazed at what you can grow.